Hope you're having a great day. Got a fresh brief for you. Let's see what the tape is doing today. It's a quiet one on the surface, but there's real fear under the hood worth unpacking. Let's check in on crypto first, because this is where the story is. Bitcoin is sitting around 64,400, down about 2.5% on the day. Ethereum is softer too, at 1809, off a little over 1%. And Solana is taking it on the chin at 71.5, also down 2 and change. But here's the headline that matters. Fear and greed printed 12 today, deep in extreme fear. And that's a fifth percentile reading going back 8 years. We've fallen 38 points in 30 days, and we're now 3 days into the extreme fear zone. Historically, when the index sits this low, the median move 30 days out is plus 9 points. Not a guarantee, but the setup is the kind contrarians circle. Watch 63,000 on Bitcoin. Lose that, and the next air pocket opens fast. Let's see how stocks closed. The S&P finished at 754, up about 1% on the day. So equities are actually holding up while crypto bleeds. That divergence is the tell. Risk appetite hasn't fully cracked, it's just rotated. VIX is parked at 1606, totally calm, no panic bid in vol. The mid and large cap movers are thin and noisy. A few small names like Quantum Corp ripping 28%, but nothing systemic. Watch whether the S&P holds 750 into payrolls tomorrow. Commodities side, gold is firm at 44.64, up 1/3%, quietly grinding toward fresh highs as the fear bid leaks out of crypto and into metal. WTI crude is the other way, 95 and change, down about 0.4. So you've got a classic defensive tilt, gold up, oil down, equities steady. Keep an eye on 4,500 in gold as the next psychological line. Headlines are genuinely thin today. The block flagged Bitmine launching a preferred stock offering against $9.2 billion in unrealized Ethereum losses, which tells you how stretched some of the corporate ETH treasuries have gotten in this drawdown. The rest of the wire is regulatory filings, Union Pacific, Tyra Biosciences, nothing market moving. That light flow is exactly why the tape feels heavy, no catalyst to lean against. Looking ahead, the big one is tomorrow. Employment situation for May lands at 12:30 UTC, high importance, and that's the print that decides whether this fear gets validated or faded. Productivity revisions hit today at 12:30 UTC, but that's low tier. That's it for today. Head over to Trada for the full real-time terminal, the liquidation map, and fear and greed widgets, and an AI sparring partner watching the tape with you. Happy trading!